Hi, in this video I will tell you that how you can install Jupyter Notebook and then how you can create a new file and how you can run the file or run the code. Jupyter Notebook is mostly used for data science project. It is a very good IDE for visualizations. So let me take you to the installation part. So the first step you will do is you will open your terminal. You will activate your environment. Since I have already activated my environment, or let me show you that how you can activate your environment if you haven't seen my previous video. So conda, let me deactivate it, Sajid 38, and sorry, conda deactivate. I just need to write the conda deactivate. Okay, now I can activate it again using conda activate Sajid 38. Now you have seen that I am inside my Sajid 38 environment. Now I can install Jupyter Notebook using pip. If I write Jupyter Notebook now, I will get an error because I don't have it installed. So let me install it. Pip install Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so maybe I need to pause here. It might take some time. Okay, so it just took around a few 3 or 4 seconds. So now since Jupyter Notebook is installed, I can start the Jupyter Notebook by writing Jupyter Notebook here. Okay, so this is my Jupyter Notebook window. Right, now I can create a new file using new Python 3, and you can see that this is my new file, and I can change the name of the file. Let's say I name it using my test _1. And so my file is created here. Now I can, just like in Spider we created some variables, so I can do the same here. If I execute it, so in Ubuntu I can execute it using shift plus enter button, or if I need to run a cell, just a single cell, I can press shift plus enter, or I can also run it using this run button, but yep. Okay, and if I just need to see, I will run it. So you can see that I am able to visualize C here, and if I just enter A, run, or B, run. So this is how I can run the code inside my Jupyter Notebook. And if I want to run the code in a single run without for now I was just running single cells, but what if I want to run the whole code? So I can just go here, kernel, and I can restart and run all. So the whole code is executed here. And one more thing, it is different from the Spider because or the Py files. So the file extension will be ipynb. So this is where whenever you see such extension, that file will only run in Jupyter Notebook or maybe Jupyter Lab, but it won't run in Spider. And you can also save this file in Py. So I can I can download it as HTML, I can download it as PDF, I can download it as Python Py. So now you can see that Jupyter notebook file was converted to Py, and I can just check the code here, right? So this is about Jupyter notebook. And one more thing, that you can also install some packages. If you want to install some packages inside that Jupyter notebook, then you can install using this exclamation mark. So pip install maybe numpy. Okay, so it's already installed. So you can install any package using this syntax. Okay, so I hope that you understood what we discussed today in this lecture. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye.